Hi guys, welcome to Becky's Cook World. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell down below. So I have my onions, garlic, green pepper, salt. So for the beans, heat up your oil. Make sure you have your onions, garlic, green pepper, carrots, some coriander and tomatoes. I wanted to blend them, but I changed my mind. So first we go in with the onions. Ooh, my. So you fry your onions. As they're still frying, you add in your garlic. There you go. And let that fry for about a minute or two. And then we'll go in with our green pepper, followed by the carrots, and then finally the tomatoes. So the onions have just started turning brown. So we go in with our green pepper. And then as that cooks for about 30 seconds, throw in the tomatoes. And let that cook until soft and mushy. So my tomatoes are almost ready. Next we go in with our beef masala. So that's about a teaspoon and a half full of beef masala. Mix that in well, and then in you go with your carrots. So mix your carrots in. So you don't need to wait for them to cook, because they'll cook when you doing your beans, when you add in your beans. So once that's done, take your pre-boiled yellow beans and rinse, then add them in. So mix that in as well, nicely and gently, like that. And then you can go in with some water, just to make everything else just cook slowly but nicely. So I normally boil my beans with salt, and since I'm going to use some Royco, I'm not adding any salt over here. But if you don't, you can add in your salt at this stage. So the carrots are now ready. Next I'll add in my coconut cream powder and a teaspoon of Royco and some bit of water. Let it simmer for about 5 more minutes, then serve. Oof. Look at how beautiful that is. So I'll just throw in some coriander. It has already simmered for about 5 minutes. You can see the soup has thickened. So I'll throw in some coriander. So about a handful. Mix that in like that. And you can now serve this delicious yellow beans. So there you go. Coconut yellow beans with rice and some avocado. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.